How do ECMAScript modules, ESM, work in JavaScript? Imagine building a big puzzle where each piece is a separate file. ECMAScript modules help you connect those pieces smoothly. They let you organize your code into smaller, manageable parts. This makes your projects easier to understand and update. When you write JavaScript using modules, each file can share specific functions, variables, or classes with others. This sharing is done through special commands called export and import. For example, if you have a file called mathutils.js, you can export a function like this. mathutils.js. Export function, return num+2. Then, in another file, you can bring in that function with an import statement. app.js. Import add2 from /mathutils.js. Console log add2 for outputs 6. To make browsers understand that your script is a module, you need to add type is equal to module inside the script tag in your HTML. This tells the browser to treat your script as a module instead of a regular script. When you do this, the code runs after the HTML loads, and it always runs in strict mode. Strict mode helps catch common mistakes and makes your code safer. In Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime outside the browser, modules are supported too. But Node.js has two types of modules, CommonJS and ECMAScript modules. You can tell which one to use by changing the file extension. CJS for CommonJS and MJS for ECMAScript modules, or by setting type module in your package.json file. This way, Node.js knows how to interpret your files correctly. One key feature of ECMAScript modules is that they are static. This means the imports and exports are set up when the code is parsed, not during execution. This helps tools and browsers optimize how they load your code. Also, when you import a variable from another module, it's a live reference. If the original value changes, the imported value updates too. Modules keep your code clean by preventing variables from leaking into the global space. Each module has its own scope. You can also export a default value or function, which makes importing simpler because you don't need to use curly braces. Using modules helps you build bigger projects by breaking your code into smaller, focused pieces. This approach works well with modern tools like Webpack, which bundle your code for faster loading. In short, ECMAScript modules are a way to organize, reuse, and manage your JavaScript code more effectively. They work by explicitly defining what each file exports and imports, supported natively in browsers and Node.js, making your development process smoother and your code cleaner.